Good evening. All right, we move on to our next concept. Concept on called permutation and combination. All right, so in this video, we're going to look at what is permutation. All right, now a simple way of explaining permutation is actually when we're actually selecting objects that we want. We actually select it with an appropriate condition. So when we are actually selecting objects, selecting it with appropriate conditions. Okay, conditions or combinations. All right. So a simple example now, permutation is something that we do every day, most of the time. So a simple example would be, let's say you're going down to an eatery and you have got a set of menu whereby you have got 4 types of drinks and you have got 5 dishes. Okay, 5 meals. You've got meals, and in the meals you have got 4 different types of drinks, and let's say you have got 5 eating dishes. Okay, so we have got 4 drinks and 5 dishes. So what you'll actually do is you actually can randomly pick. So let's say you've got drink 1, and then you've got your dish 2. Okay, maybe drink 2 and dish 5. Okay, things like that. So we actually randomly picked and we actually make a selection out of it. Okay, so this is the concept of permutation, selecting appropriate combinations. So it can be for anything, food, drinks. Okay, maybe something that you wear. Example, if you've got something just like this, let's say I've got 3 shirts, I've got 4 slacks, and I've got 2 ties. So the number of possible combinations for this scenario, so I've got 3 shirts, 4 slacks, and 2 ties. So I can actually mix and match, right? Here, to find the number of possible combinations will be, I've got 3 shirts, and I've got 4 pants, and I've got 2 ties. Okay, so my total combination will be 24. Okay, so this is something that we have done previously. All right, now this concept is called, okay, the multiplication rule of counting. Okay, all right, so we just want to see how many combinations do we have. So we just take the objects, okay, the variety of it, and then we just multiply it. Okay, so another example will be, let's say a new model car is available. Okay, and you have got, when you actually want to select a car, so you've got your colors, what type of colors, what kind of seats you want, what engine do you want. Okay, so there's many choices to be made, okay, in selection of a new model. So here I've got 5 choices of color, 5 different colors, 2 types of transmission, and I've got 3 types of engines. Okay, so how many variety of these new models that is available which I can actually pick? Okay, so here, so the number of models will be the same concept as this just now. It will be, I've got 5 colors to choose from. Okay, and I've got 2 type transmission, and I've got 3 types of engine which I can actually pick from. Okay, so that means altogether I actually have 30 variety, okay, which I can actually pick from. So this again abides the multiplication rule of counting. Okay, so this is the introduct permutation. So later on we'll actually see more concepts on permutation with more examples. Thank you.